Hi guys, this is Dan and John from sessionloops.audio. I hope you're doing well today. We're going to show you a very, very simple procedure for opening up the Kontakt instruments. And let's go straight into it, John. Why not? I'm going to share my screen with you. Here it is. So I record and use Logic Pro. John, you're a Pro Tools user, are you?
I'm a Pro Tools user. I do use Logic for composing, but for audio, recording, Pro Tools.
Maybe we'll do a video on that as well. But
yeah, I will.
I'm actually in Singapore and John's in England, but through the wonders of technology, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how to open this in Logic. So I've set up a bass on track 1 here and drums on 2, and all the green here is just the I'll show you that actually. It's just the MIDI notes. So it'll become apparent when I show you the Kontakt instrument. We're starting on C0 and just effectively going up every half step really. And this is what you do in Logic. You come to the input here, your instrument, all the way down here to AU instruments, native instruments, and it's a Kontakt. This is a Kontakt thing. So I'm going to open up a stereo instance of this. And I don't know about you, John. When did you start using Kontakt, John?
Probably about 2 or 3 years ago. I had never heard of it before that. And it was for composing and to start recording and making these packs, really.
It really...
Dan, I was going to say, what version of Kontakt are you using there?
Good question. This is 6.5.3. What is it? It goes back to 6 point...
No, so it goes back to 5.6. So you can use it. You can use our Session Loops packs with 5.6.
So when I first used Kontakt, I just thought it was quite complicated. But look, here it's very easy. So you go to this floppy disk kind of icon here, click on it, and go to load. I've got all my instruments just in this Kontakt instruments folder. I'm going to do the bass. So you click on this is what you get with our offering. You get this, you get the drums, and you get the bass. Okay, so I'm going into bass, and you go into this sort of keyboard icon, which is a .nki file, which John and I don't know what that stands for.
I'll find out.
And you just open it. You click open, and there you go. You're bang into it. This is the bass instrument, which I'll play. It's really as simple as that. I'll show you the drums now. In terms of the knobs and what they all do, and all the different loops, you've got loops, you've got fills, and you've got endings. They entirely match up to the drums. We'll go into that in a lot more depth in other videos, but today is just showing you how to do this. I'm going to close that one.
So load the drums now.
Yeah. So we've got track 2, again, instrument, go all the way down to AU instruments here, native instruments, Kontakt, another stereo of that, floppy disk icon, load. I've just put it in this Kontakt instruments. We'll also do a video, John, on the best way to put everything in one place without cluttering up your hard drive. Basically, an external drive would be good, but
yeah. And we'll cover this in another video. There's a quick load function to Kontakt as well, but for the moment, this is quite a cool way of doing it.
Keep this simple. So again, you go to the NKI file, open, and that should be there now. So it's the same MIDI notes I've drawn in. So let's see what it sounds like. That's the thing. We sort of designed this to be completely intuitive and simple to use. Straight out of the box, you've got bass and drums there, but you can mix and match these, and we will show you that in the videos.
You can create drum and bass parts in minutes for songs, can't you, Dan?
Yeah. We've got lots of composers, TV, film, songwriters that are using this, and I think they're finding it pretty easy. And for us, it's great just to listen to what comes back on top of our stuff. It's brilliant, isn't it? The creativity of musicians, I just love it. Even though we're not working directly with them with this, we sort of are in a way.
Dan, just quickly, what have you had to do with MIDI channels within your software tracks? Software instrument tracks there.
I'm no genius on this, but you do have to make sure that on the instrument your output matches that on Logic. So here I've got MIDI channel A1, it says, and the output is stereo 1, I think that is. So you just come up here, you click on bass, and it's here. you've got region at the top, and then you've got track. This is top left, and then you've got track below that. And you just have to match up the MIDI channel to that.
Yeah.
Again, let's just see what happens if I put it onto 4. Mute the drums. Yeah, see, it doesn't output anything. That's actually a good question, John. I got really stumped by that before. So there it's playing because it says 1 here and it says 1 here. Same with the drums. And that's a very good thing. You make sure you match it up that way. And then you've got it. And the beauty of MIDI is that it's very easy to work with. You can move things around. We recorded these, I would play 4 bars of bass and John would match his drums up to that. We'd create the loops that way. But because everything is split up into 1 bar sort of snippets, you can do whatever you like with this.
A shed load of possibilities here. Great, Dan.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
I think so. Yeah. Speaking of that, if you do have any questions about anything, really, I mean, look, we got some basses here, and John's got some lovely Sabian cymbals down that way.
Zildjian cymbals.
Down
there's a Sabian one.
Have you just stitched yourself up? Are you a Zildjian man?
I kind of am, mate. Look. Yeah, Zildjian. But there is a Sabian cymbal down there, actually. So you're absolutely right to say that.
Whatever you use. But we can show you the gear. I mean, what we do is we think about, we're session guys. We think about what style and then select the right instrument for that and the right equipment. And obviously we've got to play the correct way, but we've got the instruments need to sound the correct way as well, because you need stuff that sounds authentic. So we're going to do loads of videos about that. Anything specific you guys want, just leave a comment below. If you're interested at all, again, details all below, but it's sessionloops.audio. You can find everything there. And that's enough for this one. We will see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.
Take care. Bye.